We are here in Osun Festival. All about Osun Festival is all about our culture. It's our cultural heritage. It is only people who value the culture that do come here. In as much that the foreign religion has intervened every other religion, we that are in there, we value the culture. We believe we've not lost our cultural values. That's why we are all here.
I'm very happy to be here. I am from the United States of America. I believe very much in the goddess of Osun, as I am a daughter of Osun, and I carry her name.
The prayer request is always the one that brought me here every year. Anytime I have my prayer request here, at least God has been so faithful. I will always have a testimony and more experiences here.
I'm Makia Ifaliwa Osundoyan from the United States.
Keep watching. Watch AT&T 360 TV.